In today's video, I'm sharing with you how to make this delicious chicken shawarma. That's very easy to make and I hope you're going to give it a try. The good thing about this recipe is that we're going to make everything from scratch, including the shawarma bread. Very easy and I hope you try it. So I started by cutting my chicken breast into smaller pieces. I use chicken breast. So cut it into smaller pieces and add it to your bowl. After going with the spices, you can use any spices of your choice. I went in for chicken seasoning, ginger powder, garlic powder, chili flakes, onion powder, chili powder, salt, and stir till well combined. So if you're not a chili lover, you can use black pepper instead of the chili flakes or the chili powder. So I stirred this till well combined and then I added in just about a tablespoon of olive oil. Stirred till well combined again, covered it with a cling film and let it rest for at least from 30 minutes to an hour. Then we can go ahead with the shawarma bread dough. So in the bowl I added in flour, powdered milk, baking powder, salt, and stirred till well combined. I then added in a tablespoon of oil and then stirred till well combined again. I use sunflower oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So once everything is well combined like so, go ahead and add in water. The water, I added it to it bit at a time until it has formed a dough. Once it has formed a dough, knead it for about 5 minutes and then let it rest for at least 15 minutes. I'll leave the exact amount of the ingredients that I used in the comment section or in the description box below. So once you are done kneading it, cover it with a cling film and keep it aside. Now let's move to the salad, which is very easy. In a bowl I added in lettuce, chopped onion, red cabbage, tomato, and cucumber. I then sprinkle on it a little bit of salt and black pepper. Stir till well combined again and then keep that one aside as well. So now let's move to the yogurt sauce. It's very simple and easy. In a mixing bowl I added in yogurt, plain yogurt, mayonnaise, and ketchup. I then added in dill. If you don't have dill, you can use fresh parsley or you can just omit this process. And then I sprinkle on top black pepper and salt. I then stir till well combined and it should be something like this when you are done. It's very nice and it's very easy. So once the dough has rested for 15 minutes, sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface, transfer the dough on it and then roll it out. The thickness should be around 3 to 4 millimeters. So roll it flat like this and then use something that has a round shape, a lid or a plate or a bowl, and then cut off the excess. All you have to do is spray it to your pan and then cook both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes on both sides. So as you can tell from the video, it's very easy. This recipe is very easy and trust me, your kids are going to fall in love with this amazing shawarma. Once you are done, go ahead and add in your chicken. Fry it, pan fry it. You know, because I added oil to the chicken before marinating it, I didn't bother to add in oil to my saucepan. And you know, chicken breast does not take long to cook, so stay close to it, keep turning it until it is ready and you are good to go. All you have to do is to assemble it and it turned out delicious. Guys, you need to try this amazing recipe because it's very easy to make. Instead of the chicken you can use meat or fish if you want to. I have the meat recipe on my page. You can go there and then check. So all you have to do is assemble it, fold it, and you're good to go. I hope you really enjoyed watching this video and I know you're going to give me a thumbs up. Share this video. Most of all, share and let's grow up Jinamon channel together. And it was very delicious. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Love you all and stay blessed.